Thanks for logging into myfoxhurricane.com. I'm meteorologist Dave Osterberg. Take a look. We're almost down the first set of names, the entire first column anyway, as now we can add Jose to that list. Newly born Jose, which is going to bother absolutely nobody in the middle of the Atlantic. You know, as far as tropical cyclone activity goes, when you start to get into late August and into September, you start to get to the peak of the season. And climatologically speaking, the peak of the season is September 10th, and we're here. So we're almost up to the big curve, and then of course it drops down, and another little secondary maximum sometimes in the middle of October or so. And yeah, even though Idalia is moving back out over the North Carolina coast, there's still a lot of activity here in the tropics. We have 3 named storms out there and the potential for a 4th to develop. But I can confidently tell you, other than Idalia maybe brushing near Bermuda as a weak system, none of these are going to impact any real land masses. So that's the good thing. And there's Jose kind of stuck in the middle. That is likely just to start to move toward the north with time as well. So tropical storm Idalia moving back out over the Atlantic, but obviously a shade of its former self. It may actually degenerate into sort of a remnant low and then reform into a tropical storm and then just kind of work its way up toward the north. However, it could impact the beautiful island nation of Bermuda, but it shouldn't be a big deal even if it does. You got Franklin now as a 100-mile-per-hour hurricane just kind of working its way out into the Atlantic. And look, there's Jose, this little tiny thing in the middle of nowhere, which honestly it's not going to last long at all. You can watch it here. There's that disturbance coming off the coast of Africa. Watch them all as we put it into motion and everything just either dissipates or heads out into the Atlantic. And notice the intertropical convergence zone, relatively quiet over the next several days as well. So we're going to go right into Labor Day weekend and things should be quieting down in the tropics. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.